Today we have the 2021 Kia Niro. This vehicle has done just under 61,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control and our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and our automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, EV and navigation, Kia Connect, phone connection, and we also have our voice recognition. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our climate control. This includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between sport mode, eco, normal, and if we hold down, eco plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.